Hello to everyone guys, this is a new video about the sound on the menu. I used that site that you can find the link in the description to make the sound, but we are not interested in how to make the sound because I'm a terrible sound designer. We are interested on how to make a good script. Okay, the things that I think is useful are so little. Starting with putting the audio source to the reference, because I didn't do it and I didn't understand why the resource.load part of the script didn't work, and it worked just fine. The only thing that was not done so well was obviously not referencing right the correct things. So to change the clip, we change the clip by writing audio source.clip and then all resource.find find and then the type of variable that we want to find to load, sorry, and then the actual path where it needs to be loaded. Remember that all these things are inside the resource folder. And this thing that the menu didn't work was very simple. I didn't play the clip, so yeah, only this little problem. And when I found out what the problem was, I wanted to kill myself because I messed around with anything on Unity except to play the clip. So it was very easy at the end, and it's just a function that says you see, I'm changing the resource because I didn't understand why this doesn't work, and yeah, then I said, oh yeah, I need to play the clip. Wow, incredible. And it's just audio source dot play with two parentheses because it's a method and nothing else. Now I'm testing out the menu and putting a correct volume on it. It was very funny, and now you can see the results with the sound.